A very good morning to all of you and welcome to the social science class. Yes, beta. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, History. Chapter name is Reforms in Indian Society. In this chapter, we will read about some associations like Brahmo Samaj, Veda Samaj, Prathna Samaj, Satya Samaj, Arya Samaj, Krishna Mission, and some other reforms for the women and challenging the caste system. So, let us start. Let us start at chapter number 8, History, and the chapter name is Reforms in Indian Society. Firstly, the meaning of reform. What is reform? Reform means, beta, make changes in something, especially in practice, in order to improve it. So, Indian society during the 18th century was divided along gender and the caste line. That means Indian society basically was divided into two parts in genders and the caste line also. So, women were not allowed to study and were married off while they are still very young. Otherwise, you can say the child marriage system was very popular at that time. And second point, widows could not remarry, and women didn't have the right to inherit property. That means women's को right नहीं था, and women did not have any right in his father's property, and their social position was very low. And caste restrictions were also very strict. Just example, the upper caste people stayed away from people of the lower caste. So to fight these evils means buraiyan, enlightened Indians formed reform associations in different parts of the country, especially in Bengal, Maharashtra, and the South India. Now, associations for reform. A reformist. Who is reformist? Reformist means supporting or advancing gradual reform rather than revolution. A reformist trend started in India during the first half of the 19th century. And the reformers realized that many social evils and superstitions, that means social buraiyan काफ़ी सारी, and superstitions means अंधविश्वास, had kept the society backward and prevented Indians from progress. So some Indian reformers formed association to work for reforms also. So here are some reforms. See, the first one is Brahmo Samaj. In 1828, Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Brahmo Samaj in Calcutta and to work for social and religious reforms. Basically work for social and religious reforms. Debendranath Tagore and Keshav Chandra Sen were actively involved in its activities. Okay. Second is Veda Samaj. Veda Samaj was founded in Madras in 1864 and it was based on the ideals of Brahmo Samaj, and its most important leader was Chembeti Sridharlu Naidu. And the association basically attacked on superstition and the caste system, and it also promoted women's education and the remarriage of widows. Now, third one is Prathna Samaj. See, Mahadev Govind Ranade and Ram Krishna Bhandarkar founded the Prathna Samaj in Bombay in 1867. And the association worked for the abolition of the caste system and the untouchability, improving the social system, social status of the women, widow remarriage, and Hindu-Muslim unity basically mainly, and the spread of modern education also. Now fourth one is Satya Samaj. In 1873, Jyotirao Govindrao Phule, affectionately called Mahatma Phule or Jyotiba Phule you can say, founded the Satya Samaj, and its membership was open to people of all religions. and this association worked for caste equality and for the upliftment of oppressed classes or lower caste classes. Next is very famous Arya Samaj. The Arya Samaj was founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati in 1875. Among other things, the association worked for the remarriage of the widows. Next and last association is Ram Krishna Mission. Swami Vivekanand founded the Ram Krishna Mission in 1897 to work for socio-religious reforms, and his guru was Swami Ram Krishna Paramhans. So these were the associations who work for the upliftment of the society, especially for women's society. Thank you.